In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Drive download link. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your file available either to anyone with the link or only to specific people, while keeping control over access and privacy. Start by opening Google Drive in your web browser and signing in to your Google account. Navigate to the file you want to share. This can be anything, like a document, a presentation, a PDF, a video, or a zip file. Once you've found it, right-click the file and choose Share. This opens the sharing window where all the important settings live. If you want to share the file only with certain people, use the section that lets you add individuals. Type the email addresses of the people you trust, then set their permission level. Viewer is best if you want them to read or download without making changes. Commenter allows feedback but still protects the original file. Editor gives full editing rights, which you should use only when necessary. You can include a brief message if you like, then send. These recipients will get an email with the link and the exact access you chose. If you prefer a link that you can post or drop into a chat, something anyone can open, look for the general access area. It's usually set to restricted by default. Change it to anyone with the link. Again, choose the appropriate role. For a simple download link, Viewer is the safest choice because it prevents edits while still allowing people to open and save the file to their device. This is ideal for newsletters, public posts, or quick shares where you don't want to manage individual emails. When your access setting looks right, select Copy Link. This puts the shareable link on your clipboard. You can now paste it into an email, a message, a project tracker, or anywhere else you communicate. If you're sharing with a broad audience, it's a good idea to mention what the file is and its size so people know what to expect before downloading. Large files may show a scan warning. Recipients can still choose to download. Remember, you remain in control. If you ever need to tighten access, return to the share window and switch back to restricted or remove specific people. The same link will follow whatever permissions you set, so updates take effect immediately. That's all there is to it. Open, share, choose the right access, and copy the link.